Ladies and gentlemen, small business owners, entrepreneurs, and dreamers, what if I told you that with just a few dollars a day, you could reach thousands of potential customers, grow your brand, and skyrocket your sales? That's the power of Facebook ads. But here's the problem. Most small businesses waste money on ads that don't work. They guess, they hope, and they lose precious dollars. Today, I'm going to change that. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to run Facebook ads like a pro, even if you're a complete beginner. So grab a notepad, hit that subscribe button, because we drop game-changing content like this every week, and let's dive in. Why Facebook ads? Facebook has 2.9 billion active users. That's nearly half the planet. Whether you sell handmade jewelry, local services, or digital products, your customers are scrolling Facebook right now. But here's the catch. Organic reach is dead. If you're not running ads, you're invisible. The good news? Facebook ads are cheap, scalable, and laser-targeted. Unlike billboards or TV ads, you only pay for real potential customers. Quick pause. If you're learning something new, smash that like button. It helps the algorithm show this video to more small business owners like you. Step 1. Set up your Facebook Business Manager. Before running ads, you need Facebook Business Manager, your control center for all ad activities. Here's how. Go to business.facebook.com, link in description. Click Create Account and fill in your business details. Connect your Facebook page and ad account. Pro tip. Always use Business Manager, not your personal account. It's safer, more professional, and gives you advanced tracking. Step 2. Define your goal. Most businesses fail here. What do you want your ad to do? Brand awareness? Great for new businesses. Website traffic? If you have a blog or online store. Lead generation? Collect emails or phone numbers. Sales? Direct purchases. Pick one goal per ad campaign. Facebook's algorithm rewards clarity. Speaking of clarity, don't forget to subscribe. We break down complex marketing strategies into simple steps every week. Step 3. Target the right audience. This is where most businesses waste money. Never use broad targeting. Instead, Option 1. Custom audiences warm leads. Retarget website visitors. Install the Facebook Pixel link in description. Engage past customers. Upload your email list. Target video viewers, people who watched your past content. Option 2. Lookalike audiences cold leads. Let Facebook find new customers who resemble your best buyers. Option 3. Detailed targeting, niche groups. Example, if you sell fitness gear, target interests, home workouts, keto diet, behaviors, frequent online shoppers, pro. Tip, start small, $5 a day. Test audiences, then scale what works. Step 4. Craft irresistible ad creatives. Your ad has 3 seconds to grab attention. Here's the formula. A. The hook. First 3 seconds. Use bold text, a surprising fact, or a problem statement. Tired of empty seats in your restaurant? This $5 trick doubled my sales. B. The visual, image video. Videos outperform images. Keep them under 15 seconds. Show real people using your product, no stock photos. C. The call to action, CTA. Clear and urgent. Shop now. Limited offer. Sign up today. Quick break. If this is helping you, share this video with a fellow business owner. The more we learn, the more we grow. Step 5. Set your budget and bidding daily budget. Start with $5 to $10 per day. Bidding strategy. Use conversions, if tracking purchases, or link clicks for traffic. Pro tip, run ads for at least 3 to 5 days before judging performance. Step 6. Track and optimize Facebook ads aren't set and forget. Monitor, click-through rate, CTR. Above 2% is good. Cost per lead, CPL. Lower equals better. Return on ad spend, ROAS. Aim for 3x plus. Kill underperforming ads. Double down on winners. Bonus, advanced hack. The retargeting funnel top of funnel, tofu. Broad audience watches a video ad. Middle of funnel, mofu. Retarget viewers with a discount offer. Bottom of funnel, bofu. Retarget cart abandoners with urgency, last 5 left. This 3-step funnel converts cold audiences into buyers. Final call to action. And there you have it, the ultimate Facebook ads blueprint for small businesses. If you found this valuable, like this video. It helps more people see it. Subscribe. We drop weekly marketing gold. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next tutorial. Check the description for free resources, including our Facebook ads checklist. Now go run those ads and watch your business grow. Until next time, keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next video.